So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome if you're new. Today in this video I'm going to be unboxing and revealing my new toy. This is the Karcher SE4001 suction extractor vacuum. Now this is a wet and dry vacuum and it has been sent out to me, and I'll give a massive thank you to cleaningclinic.co.za for helping me get this video out. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get this thing done. Now if you're going to be cleaning your carpets or interior, if you're going to be doing any form of detailing, or if you're going to be using this just to keep your home nice and clean, this is actually a very good product. I'm not just saying that, because for the price to performance, this absolutely is amazing. Now there are alternatives that you can get, but let's go ahead and start today's video. Bear with me. Oh god! So starting off the video, this is heavy. Starting off the video, I've already unboxed this to make sure everything was in the correct packaging and everything was in the box, so I know what to expect. So this is the SE4001 Karcher suction extractor vacuum. This is a 1400 watt unit with a tank capacity of 4 liters, and it pushes out a spray rate of 1 liter per minute. What that means is you have 4 minutes of continuous spraying for whatever you want, whatever you need to do before the tank is empty. Now I've already gone ahead and opened up this box, so yours will have. I've tried to package it properly as much as I could. Before we get into today's video, I want to give a massive thank you, as I explained in the intro, to cleaningclinic.co.za. They really made this video possible. Now this video is not sponsored in any way. I did pay for this all on my own, but with the help of cleaningclinic.co.za. I'll leave a link to the profile, to the website in the video description for you to check it out. If you're in South Africa and you need cleaning supplies, they are the go-to. So let's get into that.
Cleaningclinic.co.za, providing South Africans with professional grade machinery and detergents at affordable rates. Whether your intention is to rent machinery or buy cleaning products, from purchasing or rental, from detergents, accessories, Cleaning Clinic is your go-to. Check them out in the description down below.
Now that you've seen that segment, let's get into the gist of the video. Cleaningclinic.co.za has actually sent this out to me on my request. The SE4001 extractor vacuum set, along with the Karcher home and auto upholstery cleaner. This is your smaller device. They also were kind enough to send out to me a magic sponge and 5 bottles of chemicals to try out. You can check that out there. I'm going to go through each of them one by one after this. The gist of the video is to focus on the extractor and as well as the products to check it out. Starting off with the vacuum cleaner itself, and we'll get to all of these in a moment. Starting off with the extractor vacuum, at the moment we can see, opening it up, it reveals a whole bunch of stuff. There is a vacuum bag, which is used primarily for a dry vacuum. Inside the bag, which most people might not know, is the instruction manual, which has the instruction manual, which is also in multiple languages. So you can, there's a lot of languages you can go through to find your needs. We have the vacuum bag, which is here. Now this fits in the vacuum cleaner itself, which we'll sort that out in a moment. The floor extractor nozzle. Now this is for your home interior carpets and stuff. A floor vacuum attachment, a 2-meter hose, 2 nozzles, extension nozzles for vacuuming, the machine itself, and inside we have 2 squeegees. Now this is for the wider and this is wide and narrow for the floor attachment, so you can check those out there. Inside the unit itself, now this may just look like just the unit only, but inside we work from here. Press this button and detach tank. This is your 4 liter fluid tank. Pulls the handle forward, which releases the top end, and the rest of the stuff is inside. You have a bag with a filter and some carpet solution here in the bag. A crevice tool, which personally is my favorite, and I'll be using this more often than usual. An upholstery brush. We have the wheels for the unit, the hose fitting along with suction with clamps, and as well as the trigger. This, I haven't really measured how big this tank is. I guess that's why you get the bag. So let's just set this up completely and let's get started with that. That was absolutely simple. The easy part about it is just how versatile it is. It actually has very few attachments to worry about, but all that you actually need. Now if you're going to be using this at home, you're going to have the floor attachments that I showed you before, as well as, now I will be using this on my E90 to deep clean the carpets properly. Now for the dry vacuuming, you have the vacuum bag itself. I'm going to go ahead and put in the wheels and show you guys how to do it. It's absolutely easy. Take off the top panel. Now setting this up is super easy. They made this super easy because it already has the wheel couplings on it. So you just slide it in and that's it, done. So you can have a look and see all of them now. There's 6 wheels in total, so it gives it a lot of maneuverability and it's easy to move about. Once that's done, flick this handle up so that it doesn't get caught in the actual unit itself. And I'm gonna do it this. It only fits in one way, so you don't have to worry about that. When it comes to the actual hose attachment, now this will fit into your unit itself. I'm just going to assemble this hose over here. You can see that now. So as you can see guys, setting it up is absolutely easy. You can set it up the way you want it, however you want it, for whatever purpose you want to use it. Now if you're going to be using this for wet vacuum like I mentioned, it does have quite a long hose. Now this is for the trigger, which you're going to be using for extraction. After you have your trigger spray, which you're going to be used for extracting, whether it's going to be your floor carpets or your interior. Now the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to test out the vacuuming power with just cleaning out this passenger seat right here, and I'm going to test out suction power just of the vacuum alone. With the vacuuming part taken care of, now I'm going to switch to extracting. Let's get started. Now with just doing a few passes on the seat, you can already see a massive difference. Now it is a little bit kind of wet, very wet, because which is expected, but this you'll do relatively early in the morning when everything is almost done in your detail, so you'll just have the most amount of time to dry. So yeah, I hope you guys found this part of the demonstration informative. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did find it informative or if you liked it, please drop a like down below, leave your comments as well, and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope to see you soon. Peace.